what's up and welcome back to the garage. We got a new project that we're gonna kick off here. If you can't tell already, behind me, it's a 1994 Mazda RX7 R2 model. I picked it up locally. It's a little bit rough, but everything's there. So we're gonna strip it down, rebuild it, try to make it as good as the Datsun project or better. So here we go. Here's a quick overview of the car. So as you can see, it was black originally. It's been painted a few times or worked on, so various things. I actually threw some new Mazda fenders on it because they were cheap, and the ones that were on there had a bunch of Bondo in them. Whether I end up using those or not in the final version, I don't know. I'm possibly going to do some sort of wide body on it, but we'll see how that goes. The car runs and drives. Engine's all there. It's got an aftermarket intercooler and some air intakes on it, a downpipe, an HKS exhaust, but it does run. I had to do some work to it. I have played with it a little bit and sorted out a bunch of the issues, but it's running and driving. But engine's got lower compression, so it'll need to be rebuilt. And the plan is all this will come out and all be put back to new condition or better. Maybe single turbo, we'll see. They clean up the engine compartment a lot and get rid of a lot of the problem areas with these, but again, that's all stuff we'll have to figure out as we go. So walking around looks pretty good. One of the challenges I have with it is the rear hatch leaked on the car. Apparently the hatch has been, a different hatch has been put on it, and the rear tire well area was rotted out, so I've cut that out. You'll see an episode on that, on the process of replacing this, but I found a piece from a donor car. You can see interior, pretty much everything's here in the interior. Some broken plastic as normal with these, but in general it's in pretty good shape, so that's good. So watch the build, and happy to get any comments or feedback from you on the build, or if you have any ideas on what I should do, let me know. Thanks for watching.